Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Students, welcome to online physics class. We have been discussing about mechanical properties of fluid in our last class, and under this we were discussing about surface tension. So in today's topic, under surface tension, we are going to discuss about angle of contact. Dear students, you must have observed this many times. If there is a drop of water on a leaf, if there is a drop of water, or if you put a water, then that water will form droplets. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ಪೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ವಾಟರ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕೆಸುವಿನ ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಇದು ಎಲೆ, ತಾವರೆ ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ observe ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. You must have observed this on the lotus leaf. So water will be in a droplet form. ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಟರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಎಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾತಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಹರಡಿಕೊಳ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಲೀಫ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಲೋಟಸ್ ಲೀಫ್ ವೆಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಸವಿನ ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕೆಸವಿನ ಎಲೆ ವೆಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್? ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆಸುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದೇ ವಾಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ದ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಲೀಫ್. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ of the force of attraction between, or type of force of attraction between the molecules. The water when you put on the leaf, right, the molecules of the water will experience more force of attraction within themselves than between the leaf of the lotus. ಲೋಟಸಿನ ಎಲೆಗಳ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ಬದಲು ಅಥವಾ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ವಾಟರಿನ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ cohesive force experienced by the water molecule will be more than adhesive force experienced when they put on the lotus leaf. Lotus leaf na ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ cohesive force ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ adhesive forceಗಿಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಲೋಟಸ್ ಲೀಫ್ನ ವೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ವೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಎನಿ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ವಾಟರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ವೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the water will experience, or molecules of the water will experience more adhesive force than cohesive force. Cohesive, adhesive I have mentioned in our previous class. So cohesive force means force of attraction between the molecules of same element, means molecules of water or molecules of any other liquid. Adhesive means force of attraction between molecules of different substances. Force of attraction between the molecule of water and molecule of a cloth. Force of attraction between the molecule of a water and molecule of a table. So that is adhesive force. So that's why it will wet the surface. So that is decide on which angle it is contacting the surface. That angle is called angle of contact. What is angle of contact? So let's say this is the surface, solid surface. This is solid surface. and water is dropped, or any liquid, it need not be always water. Even if you put oil on something, it will form droplets, and on in some other material it will just wet. So if you put oil to the paper, it will spread in the paper, it will spread on the paper. If you put oil on any other plastic surface, plastic ina mele hakidaga adu droplet ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, plastic ನ ಅದು wet ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That's why oils are served, oily foods, oil, they are served in a plastic cars. ಯಾಕೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Why not oily foods are served, why they are not served with the paper or cloth? Because they will spread the oil. Oil will spread all over those paper or cloth. Where when you put into the plastic, it will form droplet, it won't spread. Correct? This is solid. So let's say water is put on this solid, and this is leaf, let's say lotus leaf. Okay, so water will form a droplet, spherical droplet agi form ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೀಗೆ. Correct? Spherical droplet will be formed. Now angle of contact is the angle made by the tangents drawn at the point of contact of the liquid with the solid inside the liquid surface. See, this is the tangent drawn to the point of contact of liquid and solid. This is liquid, right? This is liquid. Water is a liquid. This is solid. So this is the point of contact of liquid and solid. The tangent drawn here is this. So angle of contact is the angle made by this tangent within the liquid. This tangent can make two angles. One is this, another one is this. So the angle made by this tangent within the liquid means I should consider the angle here. This angle within the liquid. The angle should be inside the liquid, is nothing but your angle of contact. Theta is your angle of contact. So how can you define angle of contact? Angle of contact is the angle made by the tangent. Angle made by the tangent drawn at the point of contact of liquid and solid. Liquid ಮತ್ತೆ solid ನ point of contact ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳೆದಿರುವಂತಹ tangent ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ angle within the liquid. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? This angle or this angle? The angle which comes within the liquid, that is angle of contact. Angle made by the tangent drawn at the point of contact of solid and liquid within the liquid is called angle of contact. So now we will consider one more example. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು solid ಅನ್ನು consider ಮಾಡುವ. This is another solid. So this time this is some cotton cloth. So this is lotus leaf. Here we are considering cotton cloth. You know what happens? Water drop na ನೀವು lotus leaf ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ lotus leafಿನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಲೋಟಸ್ಸಿನ ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮಲದ ತಾವರೆಯ ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ವಾಟರಿನ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ, ಕಾಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟರಿನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರ ನೀವು, ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹೀಗೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಕಾಟನ್. This is your liquid. ಇವಾಗ what is the angle of contact? Again, angle of contact is the angle between the tangent drawn at the contact of liquid and solid, or at the point of contact of liquid and solid. There are 2 points. One is here, another one is here. You can draw anywhere. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳೆದಿರುವಂಥ tangent ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? This is the tangent. Correct? So if you angle between the, or angle made by the tangent drawn at the point of contact of liquid and solid inside the water means ಈ angle consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಈ angle consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? As the definition says, inside the water you should consider this angle. So this is your angle of contact. So can I draw a tangent here, ma'am? Yes, you can draw a tangent here. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಎಳಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್. because tangent is something which is tangential to the surface. So here which angle I should consider? There are two angles, one is this, another one is this. So this angle is within the liquid, so you should consider this angle theta. This angle you should consider. So now if you observe clearly, here theta is obtuse angle, which is greater than, theta is greater than 90 degree, correct? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This angle is greater than 90 degree. But here theta is less than 90 degree, acute angle. Both the thetas are less than 90 degree, correct? So can you say that if the angle of contact is obtuse, then the liquid won't wet the substance or won't wet the surface on which it is dropped, or liquid will form spherical shape. If the angle of contact is acute or less than 90 degree, then liquid will wet the surface. Liquid will wet the surface on which it is dropped. If the angle is obtuse, liquid doesn't wet the surface, so lotus leaf doesn't get wet with the water, whereas cotton cloth does, because angle of contact is less than 90, it is acute angle. So why liquid doesn't wet here? See, when you drop the water on the lotus leaf, what happens is water molecules, they attract each other more than the attraction between water molecule and the lotus leaf molecule. There will be more attraction, force of attraction or cohesive force within the water molecule than adhesive force. So you can say that cohesive force is greater than adhesive. Here cohesive force of attraction between the molecules of the water is, water molecules between water molecules is more than force of attraction between water and lotus molecule. What about this? Adhesive force is greater than cohesive. Adhesive force is greater than cohesive means what, students? So force of attraction between the water molecule here and the molecule of the cotton cloth is more than the force of attraction between water molecules itself, correct? So that's why water will wet the cloth. It need not be water, any kind of liquid I am saying. If you drop oil on any surface, oil doesn't wet, then that angle of contact is obtuse. If the oil does wet, then angle of contact is acute. So this is about angle of contact. So here there are two surfaces. There are three surfaces. One is solid and liquid surface. Another one is liquid and air surface. Another one is solid and air surface. Correct? Solid and, so there are three surfaces, solid and liquid surface, SL. Another one is liquid and air surface. Another one is solid and air surface. There are three surfaces in both the cases. Here also solid liquid, liquid air, solid air. So that is the formula for angle of contact. So that is nothing but, so surface tension of, S means surface tension. So surface tension of liquid air, surface tension of liquid air into cosine of angle of contact plus surface tension of solid air is equal to surface tension of solid and liquid. Surface tension of solid, okay, this is solid and liquid is equal to solid air. So surface tension of liquid and air means the surface tension here into cos theta, theta is angle of contact, plus surface tension of solid liquid is equal to surface tension of solid. So this is important for the competitive purpose. So here when this will be obtuse, so you can say that okay, cos theta is equal to SSA minus SSL divided by SLA. Theta is equal to 0 means cos theta is equal to 1. So if theta is equal to 0, then this should be equal, right? SSA should be equal to SSL, correct? So then this will be maximum, cos theta will be maximum. If theta is equal to 1, cos theta, theta is equal to 90 degree, cos theta is 0. If this is 0, then, well, this formula is for competitive examination. For board it is not so much of important. So, but what is angle of contact, and when is what is the angle for cohesive force is greater than adhesive, what is the angle for adhesive force is greater than cohesive. So that is important knowledge to know for board purpose. So this is about angle of contact.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.